Hi guys, this is my running journey. I'm starting a running journey.
Stop the cap.
This is my first day, so tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari and let's go. Okay, I really don't know what to do. I'll just start kasi better get started na, diba? Going to run na. Alis na ako guys. Wait lang. I actually don't know how. I want to start running pero I actually don't know how. No. I only play ball. So yun. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari. Let's see what's going to happen. And yun. First day ko, I'm planning to run 15 to 10 minutes lang. 15 to 20 minutes. Around that time. Hindi ko iniisip yung mileage, yung time lang. Para, alam mo, first 3 days ko, parang ganun yung gagawin. So, ayun lang. Let's go! Ayan po, outfit check. Outfit check tayo. Pampangas best. Ito yung nakuha sa papa. Tapos ito yung shirt. Pang basketball. So, yeah. I'm going to start now. So, I'm actually scared, bro. Like, scared kasi I have never run before. Oh my god. So, let's go. Fitness journey number 1. Let's go. Ayoko na, putang na, ayoko na agad. Putang na. Ay, ayoko na. Shit. Woo! Fucking shit, man. Nakakapagod pa ito. Putang na. Ang sarap tumakbo. First day daan. May akong kantong. Katang nakakapagod ko. Ay, shit. Pero ang sarap. Napawisang food targets. Ay, gago. Jangan energi gara. Tapos pauwi na ako. Ayoko na. Pero ang sarap tumakbo guys. Sobrang sarap. Papawisan ka kasi. Ulit check. Paano? Shush! Today was fun. I would say that today was not that productive like kahapon. Kahapon sobrang dami kong ginawa and all. But yeah, it was my first day starting running. It is my first day. It is my first day. It is my first day starting running. Ngayon ay Sunday, April 7. Yun. I'm happy kasi I really love running pero ang tagal ko na siyang gustong gawin pero hindi ko magawa. Ewan ko, natatakot ako pre. I don't know why. Parang na-overwhelm ako. Tapos yun, parang ano, naisipan ko mag-start na din ako para magkaroon ako ng hobby na gusto. It's either gitar ako or tatakbo, natin sa dalawa. Pero wala namang guitar, sira. So I have a shoes, tapos ayun, may mga paa naman ako, they are still functioning. Hindi, sabi ko sa sarili ko kung ano na lang yung nadya, edi yun na lang. So ano, ginamit ko lahat ng gagamitin ko lahat ng available sa limit nila para makuha ko yung best sa kanila, if I'm making sense. I don't know what I'm saying, pero ayun lang, yun na yung gusto kong sabihin. It was a fun day NPL, but I still need more work, bro. I need cardio. I really need cardio, bro. Parang 70% I'm running, jogging, tas 30% I'm walking lang. I really need to stop, like, siguro hindi masama magkaroon ng interval, but you know, gusto ko tuloy-tuloy ako pag tatakbo. Ang sarap niya. Sinasabi ko lang kanina na ayaw ko na, nakakapagod, but yeah, it was fun. It was so fun. Nararamdam ko na yung body ko. Dati hindi, kasi lagi lang ako nakahiga, sa cellphone. Ano, fitness, pre, para sa health mo, diba? I need more days like this. Yun lang. Pero I'm talking about healthiness, pero bumili ako ng Pancit Canton din. Ano, ngayon ulit ng Pancit Canton. It's been 2 weeks ata. And yun, shoot for the stars, pare. Thumbnail. Hi guys, kauwi ko lang. And ano, nagpapahinga lang, and you know, I'm gonna go wash and ligo, and then I'm going to luto the Pancit Canton, and I'm going to eat, and you know, syempre we need to feed the fishes, bro. Fishes are crazy, but you know, tapos chill, you know, it's a rest day ngayon. Rest day pero tumakbo. Crazy mother. Sana hindi madap. Anyways, that's for today. Pinapahinga ko lang pa ako, tapos liligo na ako para hindi ako mapasma. And you know, let's go. Trying to build a everyday routine, and gusto kong isama yung pag-jog and run / walking done. I think it's a nice habit. So, para may exercise din ako everyday. This past few days, I've been playing basketball by myself lang. Shooting, driving, dyan lang. Pero for 40 to 1 hour, 40 minutes to 1 hour, 3 days na ata, I don't know. Pero, you know,